Hi guys, my name's Jess and today I'm going to be singing a song for you called Set Fire to the Rain by Adele. Hope you enjoy it. I found my heart, and as it fell you rose to claim it. It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak. And then, in your arms, without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew, and the things you say, they were never true, in the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. And it burns while I cry, 'cause I knew it, screaming out your name, your name. With you, I could stay, close my eyes and see forever, you and me, to keep on thinking better. There's a side to you that I never knew, of the things you say, they were never true, in the game you would always win. But I'll set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burns while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. Oh, set fire to the rain, watch it pour into the flame. Well, I felt something die, 'cause I knew that was the last time, the last time. Oh, so that heart was waiting for you. Waiting for you. Set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burns when I cry, 'cause I knew that was the last time, the last time. Oh, and I blew up into the flames. Well, I felt something die, 'cause I knew that was the last time, the last time. Let it burn. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.